Hello, friends. Ready to turn the corner? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo. Happy to be here with you guys again.
Leo, quick question. Have you ever wanted to say no to someone, but you just didn't know how?
Oh, all the time. Last week, my coworker asked me to help him move house on Saturday. I just said, no, I'm busy. And then, silence. So awkward.
Ouch, that must have felt terrible. You know what? Millions of English learners have the same problem.
Right? We learn yes and no on day one, but nobody teaches us how to say no nicely.
Exactly. Today we are going to fix that. I'll teach you how to say no like a polite, friendly native speaker.
So no more angry robot answers like, I cannot go, I am busy.
No more angry robot, I promise. After today, you'll sound warm and kind even when you say no.
I really need this. Let's do it.
All right, let's turn the corner together. Okay, Leo, now it's time for our favorite part, scene practice. We're going to jump into real-life situations and practice saying no the smart way.
Nice. I love this part. Real life is where I always mess up.
So here's the secret weapon. I call it the cushion sentence. It's like a soft pillow before you say no.
A soft pillow? So it doesn't hurt when I say no?
Exactly. The magic formula is, I'd love to, but you start with something positive, then you give your reason.
Oh, so instead of just no I can't, I say I'd love to, but, and then my reason, like a sandwich.
Yes, a kindness sandwich. Let's try scene 1. Imagine we are co-workers. I'll invite you to dinner tonight.
Okay, I'm ready. Hit me.
Hey, Leo, a few of us are going out for Korean food tonight. Wanna come?
Oh, that sounds amazing. I'd love to, but I'm swamped with this report tonight. Next time for sure.
Perfect. Did you hear that, friends? He said, I'd love to first. That shows he cares. Then, but I'm swamped gives the reason.
Wait, swamped? Like a swamp with frogs?
Good question. Swamped means super busy, like you're drowning in work. It's very common and casual.
Oh, so swamped equals very, very busy. I like that word. Way better than just busy.
And he finished with, next time for sure. That's the cherry on top. It tells your friend, I still like you. I want to come next time.
So the full formula is positive start plus reason plus future hope. 3 steps.
You got it. Now, scene 2. This one is fun. Your best friend wants to borrow your new headphones.
Oh no, not my headphones. I just bought them last week.
Hey, Leo, can I borrow your new headphones for the gym today?
Ah, man, I wish I could. But I actually need them for my online meeting this afternoon. Maybe this weekend.
Brilliant. You used, I wish I could. That's another great cushion sentence. It sounds so warm and friendly.
So I have 2 cushion sentences now. I'd love to, but, and I wish I could, but.
Yes, and you can mix them up. They both work the same way. Both are soft and polite.
This is so much better than my old way. Before I just said, no, sorry, I need them. My friend looked so sad.
See, a little cushion makes a big difference. Now, let's try the hardest one. Scene 3. Your boss asks you to work overtime on Friday night.
Oh, this is the scary one. You can't just say no to your boss.
Right. With your boss, we use what I call the delay tactic. You don't say no directly. You say, can I get back to you on that?
Oh, so I'm not saying no right now. I'm saying let me think about it. That buys me time.
Exactly. Or you can say, I have something planned already, but let me see if I can move things around.
So, I'm showing respect. I'm saying I'll try, even if the answer is still no later.
Perfect understanding, Leo. And here's a bonus tip. If you really can't do it, you can offer help in another way. Like, I can't stay Friday night, but I can come in early Monday morning.
Oh, that's smart. You say no, but you also offer something else. So your boss feels like you're still a team player.
100%. Let me tell you a real story. Last month, my neighbor asked me to watch her cat for 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That's a long time. What did you say?
I said, "Oh, I'd love to help, but I'm actually allergic to cats. Maybe I can help you find a good pet hotel."
Ha! That's so smooth. You said no, but you still helped in a different way. I need to learn from you.
The key is always be kind, always offer something. People will respect your no if it comes with warmth.
You know what? This reminds me of another disaster. My gym buddy asked me to try his special green juice last Tuesday.
Oh no, and you said,
I said, that looks disgusting. No thanks. He didn't talk to me for 3 days.
"Leo, you should have said, 'That's so nice of you to offer, but I just had a big breakfast. Maybe tomorrow?'"
That's so nice of you to offer. Wow, that's another good cushion sentence. I'm writing these down.
Good. So now we have 3. I'd love to, but I wish I could, but that's so nice of you to offer, but
3 pillows for 3 types of no. I love it.
all right, Leo, let's do a quick review. What are our 3 magic cushion sentences today?
Number 1, I'd love to, but. Number 2, I wish I could, but. Number 3, that's so nice of you to offer, but.
And what's the delay tactic for your boss?
Can I get back to you on that? Or let me see if I can move things around. Very smooth, very safe.
And the bonus tip?
Always offer something else. Say no, but then help in a different way, so people still feel good.
Perfect score. Now, here's your challenge. Use all of today's words and make a tiny funny story. Go.
Okay, let me try. So my friend calls me on Friday. He says, let's go work overtime this weekend. It'll be fun. I say, I'd love to, but I'm swamped with my laundry. I have like 50 socks to wash. But hey, I can bring you coffee on Monday morning.
Huh. 50 socks? That's your excuse.
Hey, clean socks are important. That's so nice of you to judge, but I wish I could care less.
Oh my God, Leo. You used all 3 cushion sentences in your joke. I'm so proud of you.
See, I'm a fast learner when the lesson is fun.
All right, friends. Now it's your turn. Here's your homework. Use today's polite no formula to refuse a friend who asks you to work overtime this weekend. Share your answer in the comments.
Yeah, get creative. Make it funny. We want to read your best polite no.
We love reading your comments. They really make our day.
They really do. You guys are the best part of this show.
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Remember, say no with a pillow, not a punch.